Mark the mounting positions. Install the right side back bracket on the wall and secure it at these 3 spots with expansion bolts. Measure the spacing and make sure the whole spacing of the back bracket matches the spacing between the 2 mounting points on the cabinet. Mark mounting points, then install the middle back bracket. Secure these 6 positions with expansion bolts. Remove the modules at 4 corners. Secure the cabinets to the back brackets with 4 screws. Follow the same steps to install brackets and cabinets. Combine 2 cabinets with quick locks. Secure the cabinets to the back brackets with screws. Install left back bracket on the far left position. Install edge wrapping after completing the full LED wall. Remove the side quick locks. Install edge wrapping and fasten with screws. Note: place the recessed side facing outwards. Install edge wrapping and fasten with screws. Remove top positioning pins and quick locks. Install the top edge wrapping and fasten with screws.